Crispy, crunchy, and super addictive. Hi, today we are making blooming onion. First things first, pick the right onion. Big size, golden skin, flat and round, that's the one we want. Starting by slicing off the top, makes peeling way easier. Then trim the root end just a tiny bit. Flip it upside down, follow the natural lines and slice all the way down. Keep turning and slicing until we've gone around the entire onion. Then a beautiful onion flower is born. Now let's prep the batter. For the wet batter, grab some thick, tangy buttermilk. It sticks like a dream and adds great flavor. Crack one egg for extra crunch. Add black pepper, garlic powder, chili powder, and salt. Give it a good stir. Well done! For the dry mix, combine all-purpose flour and cornstarch. Season it again with black pepper, garlic powder, chili powder, and salt. Give it a quick mix. Nailed it! Coating the onion is fun. Just submerge and really let it swim in the buttermilk. Then flip it back. Spoon batter over each petal so everybody gets some love. Next, transfer into the dry mix. Roll it, toss it, and shake it. Make sure every little gap gets coated, especially between the layers. Now let's fry. Add enough oil to cover the onion and heat it to about 180 degrees. Lower the onion into oil with a spatula. Start frying head down for 6 to 8 minutes. That's the secret to a perfect bloom. Give it a gentle poke once in a while for even crispy. Then flip it. Fry the other side for another 6 to 8 minutes until it turns golden brown and super crispy. When it's done, pull it out and let it cool a bit. Meanwhile, get your favorite dipping sauce ready. Then just dig in. Listen to that crunch. It's sweet on the inside and crispy on the outside. The more you chew, the better it gets. Pair it with sauces. One onion is never enough. Please give a thumbs up if you liked it. I'm Kemen. See you next time.